Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from onwards all videos are going to be in English language. So if you are comfortable in Hindi language, then I will give you the subtitles. You can watch the subtitles. So let's talk about something that is silently killing your progress. Like, it's very important. Whatever you are doing in trading, progress, like in psychology you're learning something, you're learning in technicals. The only one thing which is creating a hurdle between you and your success is overtrading. So you every day you start your day with no overtrading. Like, I will take a one trade today, or I will take a three trades in this week. Then suddenly you have taken five trades, or you have taken 10 20 trades or more than that. Why this happens, we will discuss in this video, and most importantly how to stop it. What are the precautions that we have to take. Only after that we can become good traders and we can become successful traders. So we will fix, and in this video we are going to discuss these problems in 3 steps. So first we have to diagnose. We have to understand what and why overtrading happens. What is the cause and why overtrading happens? So here is the truth. Overtrading is not about your strategy, it's about your emotions. It's the main problems which is in your emotions. Now we will understand why it happens. So you lose, for example, a trade for whatever reason, like you have a psychological issue, you have a technical issue, or you have some personal problem. So after that your brain wants to win it back. Like, human brain always wants to survive. And the same impulses you want to implement in trading, and they will backfire you in trading. Why? Because trading is something different. You have to understand loss is the part of trading. For example, you have decided you have a 50% accuracy in trading. Like, you win 5 trades and you will lose 5 trades. You have decided in your mind that today I will win, tomorrow I will lose, and after that I will also win. But maybe that losing streak comes 5 in a row, and after that you will win 5. That will also happen. But when you face in the market, like 3 wins in continuously, you lose 3 trades, 4 trades, you will become aggressive and you will start trading with aggression. You miss move, you panic, you jump in with no logic. It's a FOMO trading, fear of missing out, frustration, and chasing that dopamine level. Like, last time you profited $100, you have profited $1,000. Now you are in a drawdown, or you are in a break-even zone. So now you want to achieve that dopamine level again. So you do FOMO trading, you do overtrading, and without any logic. So you have to be more aware about this problem. Then and only you can understand the real cause of failure in the market. So if you keep doing emotional trading, you will always feel out of control, and you have to flip it. What you have to flip? Like, you are doing trading emotionally. When you start doing trading with logic, with purpose in your mind, and you have a discipline, so you are not doing trading emotionally. So when you flip this, all whatever you are doing, like FOMO trading, your impulses of winning that losing trade again. So all these things, if you replace them with discipline and no emotional trading from now onward, it will be tough for first week, second week, third week, but after that you definitely gonna win this game of trading. So let's start with fix number 1, one trade rule. Let's now understand how to do it and how this one trade rule will gonna help us. So start with this: one trade a day, win or lose, I will walk away. I will not trade for that day. And make that decision before the session. For example, you came into the market, and after trade, like winning trade or losing trade, after that it is very tough to decide whether you whether you wanna whether you wanna take a second trade or third trade, fourth trade. It will be impossible, because at that time you are in emotions. You have an emotional rush in your brain. You have an adrenaline rush of that winning streak, or you are just losing the market. So when you decide this before coming into the market, that if I lose, I will walk away. If I win, I will walk away. Decide this before coming into the session. So this simple rule trains your brain to value quality over quantity. Like when you have decided this in your mind that I will take one trade a day, you will not waste your time by looking at bad setups or looking at the charts all the day. You know in your mind that I have to take only one trade, and for that one trade I have to look for quality setups, and it kills that urge of clicking those buttons again and again. You will see the progress once you decide this one trade a day. I will walk away, and decide this before the session, not inside the session. The more you respect your boundaries. What are the boundaries? These are the boundaries, like one trade a day, no emotional trading, not listening to your emotions. Once you start these creating these boundaries and you respect these boundaries, the stronger your edge becomes. Like whatever your style is, support and resistance, trend line breakout, smart money concepts, whatever it is, it will become more stronger. So fix number 2, pause after every trade. Take a break after every trade. Let's understand how it will help us. So after any trade, win or lose, step away at least for 15 minutes. It is related to our previous slide, but it's something different. So after losing, no analyzing, no jumping back. This pause resets your emotion. Whatever you have, revenge kind of a mindset of, or overconfidence mindset. So this prevents those revenge trades, those emotional trades. When you take a break, at least 15 minutes or 1 hour break or session break or even day break. If you're losing continuously, like I will recommend you take a break for at least for a week. So most bad trades happen right after good trade or bad one. Like when you take a good trade, you feel that euphoria kind of a mindset, or after a bad trade, you create that mindset of self-sabotage, that you wanted to do trade unless you will wipe out your overall account. So break that chain by cooling off. When you take a break, when you take 15 minutes of a break in the markets after trading, like bad trade, good trade, this will break the chain, the chain of this, like overtrading, revenge trading. So breaking will cool off you, and it will break that chain of making bad decisions again and again, and doing emotional trading, revenge trading in the markets again and again. Now fix number 3, set no trade conditions. So before going into this, if you wanted to know about the mentorship, you can scan this QR code, and if you wanna learn something free of cost, I have created a psychology playlist. You can check that as well, but that is in Hindi language. And if you want to enroll in this mentorship, you can directly WhatsApp on this number, and you can get enrolled into this mentorship. So now let's go back to our main topic, which is set no trade conditions. So smart traders know when not to trade. We all know when to trade in the market, how to trade in the market. We have a lot of knowledge about technicals, charts, everything. But all good trades, they know when not to trade, when there is a problem in high time frame, when there is no good environment in economic calendar. So they know everything about the market, when not to trade, and we know when to trade. So this is the difference between, and you have to understand. How you will understand how you will implement this? By creating rule of bad market conditions. I will give some examples, like no trades after 2 losses in a day, like we discussed. Like I have discussed no loss after 1 trade, but for example, after 2 trades or 3 trades, you will stop. So this will create no market condition after this. And second thing is no trade during high impact news unless it's a part of your strategy. Like you are doing swing trading, positional trading, then it's okay, then it's a part of your strategy. But trading during high impact news, because at that time there is a lot of spreads, uh, high manipulation, and no clear price action. So if you avoid this time, this will also create for your no trade conditions, and this is gonna give a lot of progress into your trading. And no setups, no trade. This is simple. Do not torture the data, do not torture the price action or candlestick. You go down, for example, your high time frame is daily time frame, 4 hourly or 1 hourly. You see nothing on these time frames and you want to go to 15 minutes, you want to go to 5 minutes, you want to go to 1 minute. That is no logic. You are torturing the data. When you have no clear on high time frame, why you want to go to the lower time frames? You know, when you have clarity on high time frames, you can easily navigate lower time frames. But when you don't have a clarity on high time frame, then that means no setup, no trade. It's a very simple, and this will also create no trade market conditions. So by defining these no go zone in advance, you avoid forcing trades in low quality environments. And it's not about doing more, it's about waiting for your moment. When that opportunity arises, like your setup, like market conditions, like you have still 2 trades a day, when you have this kind of mindset, so this will create in your mind that I have to trade, I have to take trades with good setups, with good environment, and no over trading. So by doing this with time, after week, 2 week, it will be very tough in the initial stages, but believe me, after that you're gonna achieve this. It will become part of your personality only after repeating again and again. So with final thoughts, overtrading doesn't make you a bad trader. It just means you need better rules and strong emotional awareness about yourself. So if you want to learn one-on-one classes and do live trading with me, join Mentorship, which will help you to build a system that removes guesswork and gives you confidence, patience, and timing. So you can message me on Instagram, or you can directly contact on this WhatsApp number. So if you find this video helpful, then you can drop like, subscribe, or comment. And if you haven't watched this video, it was about market timing secrets, but this video is in Hindi. So if you can understand Hindi, you can watch this video as well. So we will meet in next video. Till then, thank you so much for listening me.